Soon the bad season will be over, and with it the gale and the dusk and the horror, which now show themselves openly over boughs devoid of any leaf. Since now no bird sings or chirps their love, then bids me stir. Such a song is to be neither second nor third, but first in sweetening a sour heart. If there's one to pluck them loyally, since none is spoiled by frost or fog while it feeds on the good bowl. But if broken by the wicked or treacherous, it withers until a righteous lover blesses it. Corrected and wrong is praise, and I feel in both my sides that I bring more love doubtlessly than those who talk and brag, since it makes my heart more feeble. While she was smirking at me, I would rather have roam penitent in deserts where no bird has ever nested. Teaching's good and sweet and a fair, subtle and earnest heart, now entrust me to the firm command of the one whose welcome I long for above all others. Since if once she was to me cold and unreachable, now she shortens my long time with joy, since she's to me more faithful and I to her more subservient than Atalanta and Meleager. I fear so much that, not daring, I often become black and white, and desire has so much driven me out of my wit that I don't know whether my heart weeps or rejoices. But joy which wreathes me with hope blames me, because I don't ask her for love, since I am so eager to entreat that I don't seem to wish for anything else. Thinking of her is my rest. I may cancer gnaw both my eyes if I don't keep them only to behold her, and don't think I turn my